In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal habit tracker in Asana. This is a simple and effective way to keep your daily habits organized without needing a complicated system. If you want an easy method for tracking routines like drinking more water, reading every day, exercising, or practicing mindfulness, this setup works really well because Asana can automatically keep your habits recurring day after day. To begin, create a new project and name it Personal Habit Tracker. Giving the project a clear name helps you separate your habits from any other personal or work-related tasks you may already have in Asana. This project will act as your dedicated space for all of your recurring habits, so everything stays in one place and is easy to review at a glance. Once the project is created, start adding a task for each habit you want to track. For example, you might create tasks like drink 2L water, read 20 minutes, stretch, journal, or take a walk. The key here is to make each task specific and easy to understand. A clearly named habit makes it much easier to stay consistent because you instantly know what needs to be done without having to think about it. After you've added your habits as individual tasks, set each one to repeat daily. This is the feature that makes the whole system work smoothly. Instead of manually recreating the same tasks every day, Asana will handle it for you automatically. When you set a task to repeat daily, you're essentially turning that task into an ongoing habit tracker that refreshes itself each day. As you go through your day, check off each habit when you complete it. Once a recurring daily task is marked complete, Asana will automatically record it as finished for today and then regenerate the task for tomorrow. That means you always have a fresh version ready for the next day, without losing the satisfaction of checking off what you accomplished today. This setup is especially helpful because it reduces friction. You don't need to build a new checklist every morning or remember which habits to add back. Everything is already there, waiting for you. To make this even more useful, try keeping your habit names realistic and manageable so you can build consistency over time. And that's it. With a project called Personal Habit Tracker, a task for each habit, daily repeat settings, and the habit of checking tasks off as you complete them, you'll have a clean, reliable system for staying on top of your daily routines in Asana.